Hi everyone, it's me again, Charlene, and I have this really pretty little journal to share with you. It's pretty because of all the images and the person who designed the digitals. That's what really makes it pretty. The flowered cover paper is actually from vintage floral scrapbook paper. And if you just Google that on Amazon, it'll come up. And this is the one I used right here. So there's some really pretty ones in here. Excuse me. So this, I have some little information here. This actually measures about 11 inches tall. And I apologize that I can't zoom out more to get the whole thing in because I'm using my iPad and it's on a fixed holder that my husband made and I can't raise it up or down. So I really apologize about that. The kit that I used for this is called La Petite Rose and La Petite Rose Deux, like the number 2 in French. And I'm not saying that correctly. But it's by Porchswingdesigns, Mary Lou Fallows, on Etsy. And I'm recording on my iPad, so I cannot put her link in the bottom. But later on, I'll go onto my computer and try to do it that way. Because it's such a beautiful kit. And I just really want her to be, for you, if you want the kit, to be able to go straight to her link. Also, I used some lined vintage notes and other various ones from her shop. So this is it, and oh, I'm so sorry that I can't get it all. Let me check one more time. Yeah, it'll get it this way, but that wouldn't be any fun. So anyways, I have a pretty little key there, and the tie opens with a tie, and all the pages here are printed on 8.5 by 11 paper, and you fold them vertically to make this nice, beautiful long page. And so I start out, this book belongs to, and I have a journal, little fold out, and a journal card, which is from Mary Lou's kit. And this is pretty much everything in here, excuse me, is from Mary Lou. Porchswingdesigns, and I did coffee dye the papers. This is a Tim Holtz, and then this is Mary Lou's, and these are journal cards. And then this is some little children's drawing paper that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I've glued it together, it seems. Oh, no, that's not it. I just finished this a few minutes ago. I think I'd remember what I did. So this is not from Mary Lou, but then the postcards, I don't remember where they're from, but everything else is Mary Lou's. Oh, and I forgot to say I have a cute little applique with 4 little rosebuds, and I also put them right here. Oh, yeah, I know that's not good, but I am so sorry. This pretty paper, oh, I love it. So here's a couple more postcards to journal on, and then one of hers. Oops, I have a little paper clip right there. And I put a little top tuck there. This paper Mary Lou gave to me. Thank you, Mary Lou. I love it. It's a real pretty graph. I love the color of it. I love it because it's not white. And then here's another one of her pages. All the pages are hers. And I have a tuck spot here. Oh, this is the lined vintage notes. That's what this is. And there's several of them. And I put it on cardstock to make journal cards out of it. But if you put them on regular paper, you can staple them at the top, and it makes a really, really cute notebook. This is another one of them. Here's a tall tuck spot there. This is some deli paper. another one of her pages. And this is another one of the note cards that you can stack. Pretty. On this, I don't remember where I got this. I just can't remember. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, and of course, the Tim Holtz Little People. And the tall, skinny journal card. And that cute little flower rose. So I just turned it into a little tuck spot. And these little girls are adorable in her shop. I made a fold-out, flip-down thing. And it tucks right in there. And it has a nice journal card in the back. Another pretty rose. This is the middle, and I love this pretty paper of hers. So nice. Here's a couple more. See, these are the note papers that you can staple together and make a notebook out of. But I just did it as, like I said, as journal cards. If you haven't checked out her shop lately, be sure you do, because she's added all kinds of new and beautiful things. And here's another little journal card. This has a pretty rose at the bottom. A couple of tags. These aren't from the kit, the Petite, what did I say? La Petite Rose. These are just another one of her digitals. This is the other side of that paper. And a couple more tags. Cards, journal cards. I'm really having fun making I really had fun making this tall, skinny journal. A lot of the journal makers are making them now, and it's really fun. It would be really, at first I didn't know if I liked them, but now I do. After making this one, I love it. I want to make some more. They're really pretty. And they would be fun to write in. There's lots and lots of space to write and journal in. Here's a, paper clip with a couple journal cards. This is one of her little girls that I just turned it into an altered paper clip. The other side of the graph paper and a top tuck. And here's a belly band. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's so pretty. If you like faith-inspired journals, she has some beautiful kits for faith-inspired. And here's a little pocket down here with a pretty tag. And some journal cards. I put a little washi tape on there just to break up the yellow. Kind of matches this right here. And then here's some polka dot paper, coffee dyed, and and then this says, inspired by life, one of a kind art created by Char. I just tucked that in. And this is a little Rita Donnelly flip up that you can secretly write on. And then this is the back with some, everybody needs that, with a couple of, a tag and a little journal paper. So anyways, this one will probably be in my shop soon. It takes a while to list it. I have to take all the pictures and stuff. But thank you, Mary Lou, for this beautiful kit. I love it, and I'm going to make more. I love this size. Oh, and I put a little tiny piece of lace on the spine so you wouldn't see the stitching because it's hand sewn. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out her shop, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye. Take care.